Hello there, this is Rahil from All About Affiliate Marketing. In today's video, we'll talk about the affiliate program of Tickets. So let me take you to the website, which is tickets.com. For the ones who don't know about them, Tickets is an online platform for purchasing tickets to cultural attraction, museums, tours, and activities worldwide. It offers mobile tickets, instant booking, and access to a wide range of experiences in major global cities. So what you're waiting for? Book yourself some ticket for some attractions, tour, or activities, and enjoy, have fun. But this is not exactly why we are here. We are here to earn money from tickets. Is it possible? Of course it is. You simply have to join the affiliate program of tickets and start promoting them to your audience, to your traffic. And when you bring revenue to them, you will end up getting commission out of it. Sounds amazing, isn't it? So who can join the affiliate program of tickets? I didn't find any restriction. So regardless of your location as an affiliate, you can apply to be a part of affiliate program of tickets. To the consumers of which country can you promote them? So long as tickets provide services to the consumer of that country, you can freely promote them to there and bring revenue to them. So let's talk more about the affiliate program. For that, let me take you to the affiliate program page of tickets. You could find the link in the video description. Just go over there, click on the link for tickets affiliate program, and it will take you to this page. Over here, you can see more details like what's there, why join tickets affiliate program. Well, you drive more revenue, you offer top selling tickets, get expert support, and you get monthly payouts. And if you scroll down here, you can see it's free and easy to sign up. You can get access to over 10,000 products. You can choose your integration method as well, and you can track your performance. And if you scroll down more, you will see these FAQs. So you can see here what is tickets. You can click here to learn more about them. Who can sign up to be a partner? So they aim to collaborate with wide range of partners. There are no visitors or order numbers requirement to become a distributor at tickets. With distributor, you could consider that as an affiliate too. So regardless of the number of orders you bring to them or visitors, there's no requirement for that. However, your content should be travel focused and it should match the product offering of tickets. This is super important. And if these things apply to you, then you can go and do the sign up with them. We will cover that too. Then sub partners can include content creators, hotels, travel companies, event organizers, and etc. So there's no harm, even if you feel like there's a possibility you might not get approved because of the content you have. Don't you worry, just still apply and let's see you get the approval or not. Then how does the tickets commission model work? So to cut it short and to put it in a shorter version and a simpler version, so whatever revenue you bring to tickets, you could get 50% of revenue of that. So let's say your traffic bought a ticket of $30 and the cost of that ticket is $23. So $7 is around the revenue generation for tickets. So they will give you $3.5 out of it. So whatever revenue you bring to tickets, you will get 50% of it. Well, that's great, isn't it? Then when do you get paid? So tickets create an invoice for you at the beginning of each month containing all orders within the previous months. Tickets will pay your invoice within 30 days from when the invoice was sent to your indicated account. So that means all the orders which were confirmed in the previous week. With confirmation, I means all the orders which were actually available. Because what's going to happen, you will bring traffic to them and they will buy the tickets, but there's a possibility they won't avail it in the same month. So all the avail tickets, you will get the invoicing of those orders in the following month, and post that you will receive the commission that whatever you have generated. Then what tools are available for you? There are a variety of tools, and you can click here to get more details about the different kind of tools available for you for tracking link, and we will talk about that too. Then how can you track your performance? Then comes what customer service support does tickets offer. So you get premium customer service for a stress-free visitor experience. You get 24/7 customer service, live multilingual support in customers' preferred language, convenient contact option like email, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, and Twitter. So these are the available options. So let's say you have read it all, but you still have more question about the affiliate program. For that, you can click on FAQ, which will take you to the help center for tickets partner program, and there will be multiple here, so you have to click on the affiliate one. So let me show that to you once again. If I click on FAQ, it will take me to this section where I can either click on affiliate, distributor API, or ticket agent. You should be clicking on affiliate. When you do, it will take you to this page. Over here, you will see different category and you can explore and get the answer. Now, let's say you have read it all and you want to apply to be a part of Tickets affiliate program. For that, you can come to the affiliate program page once again, click on Become a Partner, which will take you to this page. This is a registration page. You have to fill in details. I'm going to fill in the details for your reference so that when you will fill it for yourself, it will be easier for you and you could relate. But whatever information I'm going to mention here, that will be dummy just for the educational purpose. In your case, ensure you provide accurate information because it all depends on Tickets affiliate program team whether to approve you or not. So it's better you provide accurate information for them to validate and give you the approval accordingly. So I'm going to mention my first name as John, LNU, as your last name. So you can enter your first name and last name, and then you can enter your email address. Now, email address you should have access to because this is the one that you'll be using for login and of course for communication, even confirmation, you will receive it there. Then comes the company name. What if you are a content creator or website owner or a blogger? So you might not have a company. True. So in that case, you can give the website name as the company name here. Same way, if you might have a social media account, it could be a Facebook page where you plan to promote tickets or you have been promoting other brands too. So you can give the name of your Facebook page here. So basically, it shouldn't necessarily be the company name unless you plan to promote tickets in your company website. That's a different story. Otherwise, you can also give your website, blog, or social media page name in here. So in my case, I'm going to give A3 marketing, and then you have to mention your website URL here. Again, what if you don't have a website or blog? Then you can give your social media page a link in here. So website means basically wherever you plan to promote tickets after getting the approval. So you can give your website URL in here. Again, it could be a website URL, a blog URL, or a social media page. It could be a YouTube page too. Then comes the currency. So what kind of currency you prefer to get commission in? You will have these option. You can choose any of these option. I'm going to go with USD. You can choose it accordingly. Then please select your desired partnership with tickets. So over here, you can either select content creator if you are a content creator, if you are or have loyalty programs or discounts, then you go with this. Otherwise, you can go with this. And if nothing applies to you, maybe go with the one that kind of is more relevant to you. So you could probably go with the content creator because at the end of the day, whatever content you are producing, you're kind of creating it. So you can go with this option. Then comes indicate your preferred destination for personalized product suggestions. So you can choose it accordingly. I'm going to go with global. I suggest you do that as well, unless you have any specific geo in mind to target. Then where do you hear about us? So with us means tickets. How did you hear about them? Since you're watching this video, so you can click here and you can go with social media because you're watching this video on YouTube or related social media account. So you can click on search media in here and then just tick mark I'm not a robot and let the captcha pass you. Then you can click on submit. When you do that, all the information that you have filled in here will be sent to the affiliate program team of tickets. They will see whether you're a good fit for them or not, and they will give you an approval. It could take up to 1 business day. And if it takes more, and if you haven't heard anything back from them, you can come to the affiliate program page once again. And over here, there should be an email address. You see affiliates@tickets.com. So you always have an option to reach out to them and inquire about it. But you should give them at least 1 business day to maximum 3 business days to review and tell you whether you are good fit for them or not. Now, once you get the approval, you will receive a confirmation at the given email address. It should have your email address, your login email address, a link to reset your password, and the login page URL. In any case, to log into your affiliate account after getting the approval, you can scroll down on the program page. Even on this page should work, but to keep it more structured, on the affiliate program page, you can go to the footer section. So we are still on the affiliate program page here. On the footer section, you have to click on affiliate program, which will take you to the login page. And over here, you can enter your email address and password. You can also click on I forgot my password and reset your password. But this will only work once you get the approval from the affiliate program team of Tickets. So once you enter your credential in here and you click on login, it will take you to something called affiliate dashboard. Now that will be the place where you would be able to find your tracking link and you can use it and start promoting them. Now you got the access. Should you really be using tracking link? It is super important because it's not like that you get the approval from Tickets and you can just take any link from the website and promote them. You must be using tracking link, and there are different ways you could use them, and let's look at some of them. So this is a page, it's a link from the FAQ. So you remember when we were reading the FAQ, there was a link we clicked on, and this is a page that it took us in. And over here we can see different kind of links available for affiliates to use, since you'll get approval from them. So you could use either availability widget. So this is how it would look like. This will be basically an HTML link code. You could design it yourself accordingly, and then just integrate the HTML link code at the back end of your website or blog through the help of your web developer or technician. And then this is how it would look. Then the second option would be discovery widget. You could create something like this. And the third option is normal booking link, normal just tracking link. So you could go with any of these options. But if you still want to know how to create tracking links, because the instructions here are not super detailed, to create your tracking link, you can come to this help center article. It says as how does the link generator work. So you can go to the help center, search for this article, but basically what it tries to tell you is log into your affiliate dashboard. From there, hover over or click on tools, click on link generator, and once you clicked on it, go to custom link, add your link over there, and it will convert that link to a tracking link, basically a commissionable link. So doesn't matter, from the website go to any page, for example Burj Khalifa, and if you want to promote the tickets for Burj Khalifa, you could click on it and you see this is a page. So maybe you could copy this link and paste it in the custom link section, and this will create a tracking link for you, and you can integrate it and start promoting that specific location to your traffic or consumers. Okay, so now you have understand that how can you get your tracking link, but the question arises, where can you promote tickets? So to give you some basic ideas, the first way is the website or blog. So let's say you got a website, and if you feel like putting advertisements of tickets somewhere on your website could be helpful for your audience, to your traffic, then put it anywhere. It's kind of a free form. So long as you got the approval, that means depending on you, you can promote them anywhere on your website, but it should aesthetically be looking good the way you're promoting them. Then second way is blog. And I feel like blog would be amazing here, because basically you could write blog posts about different places, different tour activities, attractions, museums. Write blog posts on many things, and at the end of each blog post, just put a link over there. Just mention to buy a ticket, click on this link and integrate your tracking link over there. So this way, when people would reach your blog post, they would be influenced to click on the link, and when they buy the ticket, based on the revenue generation, you will end up getting up to 50% commission. That's great. Then social media would be amazing as well, because you could create videos, reels, posts, and you can share your tracking links in the description. Then travel and tourism website. Now people come to travel and tourism website to get travel and tourism related knowledge. And I feel like having a section over there with just tickets would be great. Let's say people come to your website, they see a section over there, tickets, they click on it, and they would be able to see tickets for different attractions, tours, and activities all around the globe. Wouldn't that be amazing? So you could do some sort of integration like that, but you have to ensure whatever integration you do, you should be integrating it with your tracking links, not the normal links. Otherwise, it will not generate commission. It won't even generate any performance. So you won't even know how you're performing and what should be the commission. Now, let's say you are using your tracking links. You should only be using the tracking links on the online presence that you have been approved for. So when you apply for the affiliate program of tickets, you give your website URL. That means you're getting approval for that only. Now, let's say you are promoting tickets on the approved online presence, and you are bringing revenue to tickets. Where do you see your performance? For that, you can log into your affiliate dashboard once again. And once you're there, and let's take in help from this help center article. So basically it tells you that once you get into the affiliate dashboard of tickets, you can look at the dashboard. It will give you the overview on the main dashboard homepage. You can also click on reports to see your web traffic, product sales, and order details over a selected period of time. Then what about the commission for it? So in order for you to get the commission, you have to update your payment details, and there is only one payment method, and that is direct bank transfer. So to update your banking details, again on the affiliate dashboard, you can look at the top right hand side, click on your profile icon, click on company details, and you can update your payment information, basically your banking details, and expect to receive the payment as and when it crossed the payment threshold value. Now, is there a payment threshold value? That is, it's 100 euros. If you have non-European bank account, if you have a European bank account, then this payment threshold doesn't apply to you. So this is how you can update your banking details. All right. So this is how you find the affiliate program of tickets. You apply to them, you get the approval, you create your tracking link, you promote them, you earn the commission, and you get the commission. And this brings us to the end of the video. I hope the video was helpful to you and helped you in learning all about the affiliate program of tickets. For me, if you got any question related to affiliate marketing, or if you want me to create a video on the affiliate program of any other brand, do let me know in the comment section and I'll try my best to create a video on them. In the meantime, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so that any video I create like this, you get notified for the same. Thanks for watching.